more concentrated teaching and learning via lighting control? Installed as simply as broadcast. Is that possible? Absolutely, with the DALI-2 Room Solution from Theben. The DALI-2 Room Solution is a complete solution consisting of presence detectors, push-button interfaces, and switch actuators. You can seamlessly integrate DALI-2 components and gain maximum freedom of design. Commissioning and control is done conveniently via the DALI-2 RS Plug app. In universities, classrooms, and educational institutions, adapt the light to different learning situations via the HCL function and several light groups. For example, for classwork, lectures, and group work. The lighting for the blackboard can be controlled via constant light control or push button. Create optimal concentration for teachers and students, allowing them to teach and learn in a relaxed atmosphere. In addition, the constant light control reduces electricity costs. Complete, open and flexible. Simple as broadcast. With the DALI-2 Room Solution from Theben.